Mama G, and this is my family farm. Come on, and I'll introduce you to some of them. I want to say a special thank you to Mama G for letting us participate in her family pride party. So I'm going to introduce you to some of our family today. I hope you're having a good time, and I hope your family is all well, safe, and healthy. I'm in Arizona, where it's nice and hot. I don't know about the weather where you are, but it's nice and hot. So we have a variety of animals that do well in the heat. So come along with me and let me introduce you to some of my family. First, we have Zipper over here. Zip! Zipper's an emu. I have also 2 more emus. Let's go in and get a closer look. Zipper is an emu. Zipper. Hey, Zipper. The chirping sound you hear is coming from the smaller of the emus down here. I have a total of 3. We have Iggy, Ozzy, and Zipper. Emus love water. We usually, because it's so hot here in Arizona, we usually make sure they have plenty of water, and we also come out and hose them down a couple times a day in the summer months because we do reach very high temperatures. Emus are considered guardian animals, so they do protect your farm from wild prey such as coyotes. Both male and female alike protect from the coyotes. They like to eat vegetables and fruits. Beautiful. This beautiful girl is Ozzy. Say hi, Ozzy. Say hi. Hi, Ozzy. She's so beautiful, isn't she? Yes, you're beautiful. She loves to be rubbed and scratched. Don't you? Pretty girl. Okay, you can go down. Also here on Mama G's farm, we have a couple of pigs. We have a Cooney. Her name is Ellie Mae. Hello, Ellie Mae. Hi, baby girl. She loves ear scratches and belly rubs. She likes to smell my hand looking for snacks. She likes to have her snout rubbed. You like your snout rubbed, don't you? She does. She likes snout rubs and face rubs and ear scratches. This is Ellie Mae. Hey, hi, Ellie Mae. Ellie Mae is a Cooney pig. And Cooney pigs come from New Zealand. I believe that's where they originate. So that's why she's so hairy. Because it's not as hot there as it is here, is it? Hi, Ellie Mae. Ellie Mae's our Cooney. She loves belly rubs. Yeah, she loves belly rubs. Do you like belly rubs, Ellie Mae? to you? She smells watermelon on my hands. She says, I think I'll take that belly rub later on. Okay, we have watermelon for you. Hold on. This beauty right here is Delilah. Hello, Delilah. Delilah is a Vietnamese potbelly pig. And she is super smart. She's 6 years old and super smart. You want to show them some tricks you can do? How smart you are? Sure you are. Come here, baby girl. Come on. Can you do some tricks? I have a nice banana. She likes banana with the peeling on. Sit. Sit. Good sit, baby girl. Beautiful sit. Very good sit. Would you like some more banana? Would you like a little bit more banana? Okay, you ready? Spin this way. Spin all the way around. Good girl. Such a good, smart baby girl. Good girl, Delilah. I also have some watermelon for you. Because Delilah loves fruit. Yes, she does. It's nice and cold. Oh, she's going to take the whole thing. Let's put it on your bowl. Over here. There you go. Delilah likes belly rubs and back rubs. She loves to be loved on. Goats. We have goats here on Mama G's farm. And goats are herd animals. So very rarely do they do well alone. You usually need more than two. They like to live in groups. They feel safer that way. This is our goat pen area where the goats sleep. We always make sure nobody's alone, right? Everybody likes to be. So these sisters are always together. Down here, we have two boys that like to hang out together. And Marmalade. Hi, Marmalade. And all the babies are down here. Hello, Marmalade. Marmalade's a Nubian goat. She's a Nubian. Here is our bird enclosure. We have various birds in here. Hey there, I got food. Anybody want any? Huh? Come on out of there. It appears that everybody likes watermelon. Everybody likes watermelon. So, this green duck, or the brown duck with the green head, is a mallard. The one next to it, the black and white duck, is a cayuga. And the white duck is a Peking duck. And they all live harmoniously together. Except we have Sundance over here who's doing his own thing. Hi, Sundance. Hey there, Sundance. This is what we call a dog pile. Yes, a dog pile. We have puppies. Beautiful little puppies. Say hi. Say hello. All right, well, thank you so much today for joining us and visiting with our family. And we'd like to remind you to please subscribe and follow us so that you can get more updates and information on our family here in Arizona. And a special thanks again to Mama G for inviting us to join in this family pride party. Lots of hugs. Take care. Bye-bye.